Hello children, welcome back to your social class. Standard 5 Good Citizen. Man is a social being. He cannot live alone. He needs social and emotional support. To live in a society, we need to develop some good values. Good values are divided into 5 types: personal value, cultural value, social value, disciplinary value, and constitutional value. We'll see each of them in brief. Number 1, personal value. Personal values are the basic values for every individual. Personal values bring out the hidden values of a person that they acquire from their experiences. Few examples of personal values are honesty, generosity, love, friendship, mercy, hospitality, and peace. Number 2, cultural value. Cultural values are the customs followed by the tradition or belief. To become well mannered and cultured is an essence of the society. India is a vast country. It consists of people belonging to different religions and different languages. In spite of different culture, religions, and language, people of India live together with love and brotherhood. In today's world, if we are all able to respect and know about other culture and respect their values and belief, life would be easier for most of us, and we can learn a lot of good things from each other because each culture is beautiful and unique. Number 3, social value. We can maintain good values in public places by following few values. First of all, we should maintain good relationship with people. Number 2, respect elders. If you are in the presence of an elder, be polite. This means if they are talking, listen. If they are asking a question, respond respectfully and with a calm tone. Number 3, respect nature. We should respect nature because the environment is very important. Number 4, be tolerant. Be tolerant means that you accept other people's opinions and performance, even when they live in a way you don't agree with. Fourth one, disciplinary values. Discipline is indispensable for living a successful life. Discipline helps a person to achieve the success that he wants in life. Being punctual, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding your moral values, doing duties without fail, etc. are few examples for disciplinary value. Number 5, constitutional values. The constitutional values are those values which safeguard the human rights of every citizen of India. Let's see few important values of Indian Constitution. Safeguard public property. It is the duty of every citizen to protect public property. Maintain the unity and integrity of the nation. India is a large country. The spoken language of one state is quite different from that of another. They wear different types of garments. They celebrate different festivals and perform various religious rituals. In spite of these diversities, we feel a sense of unity and oneness among us. The diversity is always there, but the concept of the Indian should be important to improve unity. Next, develop scientific attitude. The Constitution of India encourages the citizens of India to have a sense of scientific temper. Scientific temper describes an attitude which involves the application of logic. Protect the natural resources. Human beings depend on the natural resources for their development. We cannot imagine our life without natural resources. Thus, the conservation of natural resource is very essential. Care of the environment. A clean environment is essential for healthy living. The clean environment always keeps you fresh and protects you from many health problems. To keep the environment clean, you need to take care of the environment. Honor the national symbols. National symbols have a unique meaning. They symbolize strength, purity, power, pride, and courage. Thus, we should honor the national symbols. Respect martyrs and their sacrifices. Freedom fighters were people who sacrificed their lives selflessly for the freedom of our country. They are the pillars behind the freedom movement. We should honor their sacrifices. Preserve our culture and heritage. Culture is the identity of a group of people living in specific place. Heritage means what we inherit from our ancestors and from our past. Our cultural heritage is a beautiful gift from our older generation that will help us to become a better human being and build a harmonious society. Develop patriotism. Patriotism is the love and respect for one's country. It is important to love the nation we live in. We need to be united and stand together for the progress of the country for its improvement. Children, we learned 5 types of values. Values can be contagious. If you practice them, many others also follow you. As good citizens of India, we need to imbibe the great values that are followed by our freedom fighters and our nation builders. Thank you.